Hello sir and madam, today we will be learning about factoring in under 59.46 step 1. Multiply coefficient on first term to coefficient on third term. Here are the factor. Make sure to show work. Mine is hidden under the man. Step 2. Which one adds to the middle thing? Find the mean of the following numbers. Okay sir, this problem is very simple. We just need to use the mean value theorem.
Now let's review everything we learned today by solving this problem. The curve in the figure above is the parabola y is equal to.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And I'm proud of not to do me, not what I know. Once I do for number, even in your